and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Gmail offline. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Gmail offline, then you can simply open your Gmail in your Chrome. So once you open your Chrome and open Gmail here, you can simply type in Gmail and open it. You need to now go to your settings and see all your settings. So once you are in your Gmail, first of all, you need to go and tap open your settings, and here you can simply get like all the settings over here. So you can simply tap open the thing called open online, like open offline. So there you will be able to check mark on like the mails that are offline. So you can simply get your option here, but if you are not getting this option, then you need to be able to simply sync your Gmail. So once you have simply synced your Gmail for days, like you can choose the period of sync like 7, 30 or 90. So if you're keeping your Gmail on sync, then you will be able to even read your mails even though you're offline. So this is how you can open your Gmail offline and you can get access to it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.